Here's the hole on my Mark II. There's a indentation here, here, and here. Here's the old lamp. There are 3 indentations. Here, here, and here. It slides right into this indentations. Slide it in. It's smooth all the way around. It doesn't wobble. There it is. It's in correctly. Move your hand. The gaps are correct all the way around. Let's take this out and let's take a look at the piece that was just sent to me. Hold the camera. Almost $300, and it's got these pieces here. 1, 2, 3, which are way too big, and they're also in the wrong spot. This is a Mark II, a 66 Mark II. Here's the upright position. If you push this into this crack here, it blocks it from getting flush here. There's no way any of the gaps are correct. And this next piece comes nowhere near the indentation. So this brown part is wrong. It's also wrong on the bottom. If you try to put the bottom one in first, which is impossible, everything else is off by over an inch. Too far this way, too far that way. This is made incorrectly for a Mark II base plate.